I'm Nurse Dadak from Tyler, Texas. Tonight we're gonna be making spring roll or lumpia Shanghai. And the ingredients, these are the ingredients. Come on. This is ground pork and half a pound of ground pork, okay? A teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of ground black pepper, a piece of finely chopped carrots, finely chopped garlic, finely chopped onions, and an egg, okay? We mix them together. It's too easy. Mix them, put them together like that. Together. Mix them together. Together. One more time. That's it. It's too easy. You mix it. Mix and mix, and it becomes solid. Oh, I forgot. I have to put a little bit of corn starch. Just a tablespoon of corn starch as a binder, in addition to the egg. So then we have our mixture. We mix them and then we wrap it in a lumpia wrapper. I have a lumpia wrapper. And then we fry it. And I'll show you when it's all done mixed. I'll show you how to wrap, okay? All right. I'm gonna sit down, wrap it. One of this mixture, you just do that. And then I'm just gonna turn it around like that. Flatten it. Just a tablespoon. And then you wrap it like this, okay? Wrap like that. Wrap until the end. Push it there until the end, and then you got this egg white to seal the end of your lumpia. Okay, there. Then you set it aside right there. Okay, this is your lumpia. One more time. You're gonna be expert. Whoever is watching tonight is gonna be expert. 1 tablespoon of your mixture. Put it there. Spread it. Spread until like that. Okay? And then roll it slowly like that. Slowly like that, and then at the end you seal it with your egg white egg like that. All done. So I'll show you the finished product right here in the kitchen. See there? When it's brown, You turn it around because I'm not using the deep fryer. I'm using the pan. Just turn it like that. And turn it off because it's already done. Put it in a plate, paper towel to drain the oil, excess oil. There's your lumpia. And I made some sauce. And the sauce is right. You just eat this with that. I'm gonna try it myself. I'm gonna try it. Look. Yummy. It's good. Good night. Don't forget to subscribe. There's Dadak.